Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to share portable hotspot from your Samsung Galaxy A26. If you wanna share portable hotspot, which means that other devices will be able to connect to your mobile network from your phone, shared directly from it, you can just go to Settings. In Settings, go to Connections, Mobile Hotspot and Tethering, then enable Mobile Hotspot. You need to turn off Wi-Fi in order to use the mobile hotspot because it uses the same antenna to share that mobile hotspot as well as to receive Wi-Fi, so it has to be freed up. And now once that mobile hotspot is on, I can also click on mobile hotspot on like the text here, and I will see my network name and the password. I can also customize these settings, like by clicking on them. I can change the password, and that's what I'm gonna do. It has to have at least 8 characters. You can also change the band to either 2.4 or 5 gigahertz, but 5 gigahertz may not be supported by some older devices. And then you can also customize more things, but I honestly don't even understand some of these features. So let's click on Save. And then on the other device, you can easily find the network and internet, Wi-Fi, and here is my Galaxy. I can type in the password, click on Connect, and you can see it displays right here that the device is connected, and also displays how much data was shared today. And to turn off the hotspot, just click on here. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.